The Zambia Research and Education Network, ZAMREN, is a non-profit-making organization registered on 19 September 2007 in the Republic of Zambia. ZAMREN is an association for tertiary-level research and education institutions, which collectively intend to secure low-cost broadband activity to all member institutions, dedicated global research and education resources, and to the Internet, share their educational resources via the dedicated infrastructure, provide advanced ICT services to member institutions in a closed user group, network with regional and international partners to promote best practices in ICT. National Research and Education Networks, NRENs, exist all over the world for the facilitation of broadband network connectivity for educational and research institutions in order to enable high-capacity demands that are routine in advanced research. For example, high-volume live data for collaborative design and medical imaging and telemedicine, transfer of high-volume static data, advanced applications like grid computing and high-definition video conferencing. Research and education institutions in Zambia have not been able to participate in the global research and education arena, mostly because of very expensive network connectivity. Our institutions simply cannot afford dedicated broadband in the volumes required for advanced research activities. Within each continent, continental-level research and education networks, RENs, have been set up to implement and operate the regional networks. These include GENT in Europe, Canary in Canada, Internet2 and NLR in USA, Clara in South America, and UbuntuNet Alliance in Eastern and Southern Africa. ZAMREN is a member of UbuntuNet Alliance, which is a member of global education and research organizations. ZAMREN through UbuntuNet Alliance secures broadband capacity and internet commodity through these international routes and provides these to its member institutions. UbuntuNet Alliance is the regional research and education network provider, providing NREN connectivity in Eastern, Central, and Southern African countries. UbuntuNet Alliance has a hub in Johannesburg and Nairobi, and a point of presence in London and Amsterdam. From the Johannesburg hub, UbuntuNet Alliance has a 10 gigabit link to GENT in Europe. ZAMREN provides services on all layers of its network, as outlined in the ZAMREN website. ZAMREN provides support to its member institutions in setting up the campus network. ZAMREN provides and facilitates capacity building in ICT to enable member institutions manage and maximize use of ICT infrastructure and services. An optical fiber infrastructure rollout has been commenced by ZESCO, ZAMTEL, and CEC Liquid Telecom throughout the country. ZAMREN has a memorandum of understanding with ZESCO, which has offered a lambda light path on its optical fiber grid for use by ZAMREN. This is the biggest support in setting up ZAMREN. The government of the Republic of Zambia is supporting last-mile connectivity, connecting research and education institutions to ZAMREN network. UNZA, CBU, and Mulungushi University have fiber connectivity to the ZESCO fiber grid. Connectivity of other institutions are scheduled in this forthcoming year. ZAMREN has secured project funding from the Netherlands government through the NICE, the Netherlands Initiative for Capacity Building in Higher Education program. The 4-year project is aimed at supporting the establishment of ZAMREN as a sustainable entity. Technical consultancy and support for this project will be provided by the universities of Groningen and Radboud from Holland. The Africa Union Commission and European Commission announced a major project known as Africa Connect project. This will undertake the initial deployment of the UbuntuNet backbone. This can be regarded as the first phase of the overall vision of Africa Connect, a dedicated research and education network interconnecting the entire continent and to the rest of the global research and education community. ZAMREN is an active participant in this project and will be one of the critical hubs in this region. ZAMREN, improving education and research in Zambia through the use of ICTs.